Today is our second annual Science Carnival, so we have different members of the community coming out and sharing science and allowing the kids to have science exploration and exposure to science activities.
We want to get the kids excited about science. Science is a super exciting subject, and this is one way to get them excited. We have EMS trucks, we have Florida Fish and Wildlife Council, Department of Environmental Protection, Casanova Nurse Meteorologist is here, C2C from Florida State is here, Black Bear Management, 4-H, and tons of hands-on exploration stations that the teachers have put together here at Kate Sullivan.
So we're from the Office of Science Teaching at Florida State University, and this is one of our outreach programs called C2C. And what we do is we take marine animals that we collect ourselves and we bring them out here to elementary schools and festivals around Leon County. And here today we have some of our horseshoe crabs. We've brought a male and a female pair out, and we're allowing the children to touch them and teaching them about how they survive and the features of them. We also have some of our larger hermit crab shells. Yeah, they're pretty good at it. They have lots of eyes instead of just these two eyes right here. These here is actually not a nose, it's
that I did
eyes.
not know.
I am here to spread knowledge about science and specifically weather and meteorology as part of the Science Carnival here at Kate Sullivan. What I have is a bunch of different ways to observe weather. More specifically, the more traditional ways like the tube thermometer, and different ways like the digital revolutions that have been happening over the years, and many different ways that can be used by the general public to see what's happening right in their own backyard. They like seeing the Galileo thermometer, especially because it's just a different way to show the temperature. Plus, I know kids love pictures and video, and I've allowed them to flip through a huge book about natural phenomena and some of their favorites and things like that. So hopefully it gives them, the visual aspect of the science, and a little bit different than just hearing it through the classroom or just a textbook.
Oh, we are here because we wanted to teach the kids about living a healthy lifestyle. First, we have this display board that's basically showing how important it is to be active, and we're taking their blood pressure, letting them listen to their heart rates, and we're taking their heights and their weights too.
We're here today to show the kids the ambulance so that should they ever have an emergency, they'll be a little bit more comfortable, it's not so scary, and to teach them a little bit about safety and when to call 911. And kids think of science, they may think of test tubes and laboratories, but we want to talk to them about anatomy and the science behind medicine and biology.
To help prepare for today's event, I actually made the bubble makers and helped mix up the soap, mixes together with the syrup, and it makes a solution, and then they can see that liquid form a bubble, and then on the bubble with today's sun, you can see all of the different colors. And I've seen some really giant bubbles. They're very colorful, they're in the sun, it looks great.